Hello, behind me you can see one of the 2 food forests that we want to plant. With this crowdfunding project, we would like to plant 100 trees and berry bushes. All trees have to be with fruits or nuts, edible plants. So edible trees or edible bushes is what we want to plant. We want to plant 2 food forests.
Tell them you're dreaming. We need more dreamers like you. Tell them you're dreaming. Cause dreams lead to things that you do. When you see in your mind what can be, then in time you just might make your dreams come true. When I was younger, they told me I was no good, but I was a dreamer. And so I knew that I would change up the scene with stuff I dream. And one that came true was making music, and you can make up whatever you wanna do and go dream it too. Hey.
Then along our vegetable patches, we want to do some hedges. In the middle with a Benya's hedge. On the outside we'll put the prickly berry bushes. And on the inside the nice fruit trees that aren't prickly. And that will then give about a 2.5-3 metre wide fence, hedge, to keep the wild animals out, to give wild animals homes and definitely insects, and also to protect our vegetable garden. And then all along the terraces, well, not these small terraces here, well, maybe, but the big terraces on our vegetable patches, there we're going to also have trees growing along them, because trees do like the heat behind them from the walls. So yeah, for 50 francs you can have 1 tree. There's lots of different presents you can have, but the 1 tree, every tree you buy, every year you can come up and have 1/3 of the harvest if you want. If you have 2, 3, 4 trees, you have the harvest 1/3 of each tree. So you can pick and choose the trees you want, or the berry bushes you want, so we can plant them. And so it's really easy. Go follow the link that's down in the description to We Make It Foodforest for Drieschta, and there you will find our crowdfunding where you can gladly, thank you very much by the way, donate 50 or more francs. You can even do less. But if you donate less than 20 francs, we won't be able to give you the rights for the harvest. But otherwise, thank you very much for joining in. And we've got until end of October to raise 5,000 francs. Thank you. Oh, and by the way, could you spread the message that we need everybody's help? Thanks very much. See you later in Drieschta.
Need more dreamers like you. Tell them you're dreaming, cause dreams lead to things that you do. When you see in your mind what can be, then in time you just might make your dreams come true. Don't be a naysayer, be a yay-sayer. Don't be a doomsdayer, say a dream.